Hey guys, I just want to stop in here and take a minute and just wish each of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to come. We've had such a great year. 2019 has been great for us, guys, and I'm so excited to go into the new year. For now, we're going to take a couple weeks off just to spend some time with family and friends and enjoy the new year coming in. And can't wait to come back with great new recipes, great new cooks for you in 2020. Just so excited about that, and I'm just going to share with you a little montage of our thumbnails through the year with a little Christmas music. And folks, again, God bless. We will see you in 2020. Merry Christmas, guys.